Now folks, here is another beautiful canary green natural diamond. This one weighs a third of a carat. Now my diamond scale weighs 32 points. Beautiful, beautiful diamond full of fire. Look at it. Again, my price to you is going to be 249 bucks for this. I cannot buy this diamond wholesale for 249 bucks. Diamond prices have gone up 40% this year. 40%. And that's in wholesale cost. So folks, grab this while you can. It's a beautiful stone. SI1, SI2 in quality. Fantastic. Canary green diamond. Grab it while you can, folks. 249 bucks is a steal of a deal. I'm Google verified. You can buy with confidence. I ship for free any place within the United States. If you have any questions, email me, give me a call. Thank you all for your business and trust.